Welcome to ICO Reviews, and today I'm reviewing Fivestar Mining Network. This cryptocurrency ICO focus on mining Bitcoin and Ethereum, and the money they get from mining will be used to buy their token every now and then. And of course, the price of the token keep going up. The price of the ICO is 0.00011, and they believe that's one of the cheapest you can ever get. With that, you will never lose your money. The value of the token keep going up and up, and you can see different places you can find them: social media, on Facebook, on Twitter, on Instagram, Google Plus, LinkedIn, Reddit. You can find them, Telegram, YouTube. Huge. Let's go. And the soft cap is $1 million, while the hard cap is 10 million US dollars. The pre-sale stage 1 is August 2018, and the pre-sale starts September 2018, while the crowd sale starts 2018. Now, what makes the difference? Look at the bonus. Now, let's check it out. Now, you get 50% bonus for the stage 1 of the pre-sale. You get 30% bonus for the stage 2, and voila, you get 10% for it. So, if you can get involved with any of these two, good for you. Good for you. Good for you. And let me come here. The price says 0.001 US dollars, and the total supply is 10 million US dollars. Sorry, the technical the total supply is 10 billion token. 10 billion token. You can find them on different ICO reviews, ICO bench, airdrops, Ninja, ICO panic, and all the rest. You can find them. Yeah. There are explainer videos about the project. You can check it out. The team and the Veis, Dimitri Nichis, Gary Skolin, Roman Vasheruk, and the rest. You can find them here. And of course, you can see them on Facebook, on Telegram, Google Plus, LinkedIn. So you can contact this member yourself if you want to discuss with them. These are the advisors. The roadmap, you can follow them here. Now let's check the white paper. White paper is put together. It's short and clear, 15 pages. So I encourage you to go through the white paper. Let's check the Telegram. 9,034 members on the Telegram. It's huge. It's huge. Let's take their Twitter. They have 4,256. Alexa ranking. More visitors from Venezuela. But you can understand Venezuela is getting more bullish on cryptocurrency with the problem they're having with inflation. More people are seeing that cryptocurrency is the next big thing. In fact, it's the big thing happening now, and where you can safeguard your money. Now, also on Thailand, in Vietnam, and in Russia. So let's see who is registered 2018 and 2019. It's expired. You can find the information about the website here. So I believe Fivestar Mining Network has something really important to offer. And with the plan they have to buy back token, that will increase the value of the token. So far, that's my review about Fivestar Mining Network. Thank you for watching my video. And of course, you know everything I've said in this video is strictly my personal opinion. I'm not your financial advisor. Do your own due diligence, make your own decision. I will drop the link below. Click on it and sign up for the IC. Read the white paper yourself and go through everything. And before you go, please hit the like button, show me some love, subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell so that when I bring more videos, you will be among the first to watch my videos. I love you a million times. Thank you so much for watching my videos. And until next time I come your way, this is ICO Reviews.